Sheikh, last time I asked you a question. Maybe I could not explain you properly. I'll try this time my level best. Sheikh, there is a person who is asking if he is sitting in a group and they are talking about sports and someone suddenly make kufr joke and he understand that joke and he hate to laugh, but that laugh come automatic and he try his level best to not to laugh, control his laugh, but in the end he laughed because he could not control and he was hating to laugh and he don't want to laugh, so he become kafir?
What did I say to you? Salim,
Yes, Sheikh.
what did I say to you?
I don't remember clearly.
Okay,
Sheikh.
in this case, please go and watch the episode again. Because if you don't remember, why are you asking me again? You are just saying that you don't think that I understood your question or you did not explain yourself well, which means that you know what I said to you. So go back to the episode, inshallah, and you'll find the answer.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, I'm having my exams in Ramadan time, but some of my friends tell that we can skip 3 to 4 fasts because of necessity. So what is your opinion on that?
This is not true, akhi. Allah Azza wa Jal made fasting one of the pillars of Islam, that is fasting Ramadan. And Allah gave the concession to skip fasting for those who are traveling or those who are sick. You and your friends are healthy and you're as strong as a horse. So what is the justification? I know a lot of the Muslims who work out and go to the gym during fasting hours and say, mashallah, Allahumma barik. I'm one of them. After I finish my Ask Zad program, I go to the gym and work out for about 40 minutes. Business as usual. This is a life routine that we do. Fasting is not something that, oh, is difficult, I can't breathe, I can't. We do our normal jobs and tasks and studies and even working out at the gym. Business as usual. Don't allow shaitan to mess up with your head. The companions used to fight in jihad with spears and swords and physically demanding tasks while they were fasting. No problem. So trust Allah and you'll find things being easy bi'idhnillah, and you'll find barakah in the results of your test as well.